अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 90, topic number 155. अस्मिन् वाक्ये नीलमुत्पलमिति वाक्यद्वयम् वाक्यवत् वाक्यार्थः न संगच्छते. The author has presented the Mahavakya in Bhagatyaga Lakshana Dwara, and he has presented the Samanadhikaranyam Visheshya Visheshana Sambandha, and third one is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. So Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha alone is that which fits into Mahavakya. Tattvamasi Mahavakya can be arrived only through Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. In that Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha also, there are three types: Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana, Jahad Ajahal Lakshana. Third one only fits into Mahavakya. Then Purvapakshi comes and says, what author has presented through what example? Na? Soyam Devadattaha. Saha Devadattaha, Ayam Devadattaha are one and the same. Similarly, same Bhagatyaga Lakshana you apply, that Paramatma who is Shuddha Chaitanyam, this Jivatma who is Shuddha Chaitanyam, you give up the attributes, Bhagam Tyagam Panni, you have to take the Lakshyam. Chaitanyam, and this Chaitanyam is the Lakshyam. So he has established Tat Tvam Asi. But this Purvapakshi comes, Aponist comes and says, your Bhagatyaga Lakshana will not suit in this Nilotpalam example. Nilotpalam example I want to take. Why can't you take Samanadhikaranyam and Vishesha Visheshana Sambandha? Samanadhikarana Sambandha or Vishesha Visheshana Sambandha? Why can't you take like Nilotpalam? Why you have to go to only Jahada Jahal Lakshana? Why can't you take Samanadhikaranya Sambandha? Why can't you take Vishesha Visheshana Sambandha, relationship between Vishesham and Visheshyanam? Why can't you take like that? Like Nilotpalam, Neelam Utpalam, blue lotus. So that the blue lotus, why can't you take like that? Tattvamasi also. So blue lotus we should understand first. Blue lotus theriyume enna. Appadile Samanadhikaranyam Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha, how it take place. Then author is going to present in 156, he says, yes, Samanadhikaranyam Vishesha Visheshana Sambandha is possible in Nilotpalam. It is possible in Nilotpalam. Sangachate, that we have to read. Up to here we saw in the last class how author is going to establish this Nilotpalam in that Samanadhikaranya Sambandha, Vishesha Visheshana Sambandha. How it doesn't suit in Mahavakya, he is going to present in 51, 56 and 157. Very important and technical, highly technical. Okay? Be ready. I will try my best to communicate. 156 topic number. Tatra tu Nila Padartha Nila Gunasya Utpala Padartha Utpala Dravyasya Utpala Dravyasya cha Shaukya Patadi Bheda Vyavartakataya Anyonya Visheshana Visheshyam Rupa Samsarga Rupa Samsargasya Anyatara Vishishtasya Anyatarasya Tadaikyasya vam Vakyarthatvat Angikarim Pramanantara Virodham Abhavat Vakyarthaha Sangacchate. Neelam Utpalam Tatratu. With regard to this example, what you have pointed out. Tatra means in this regard. Neela Padarthaha Neela Gunasya. Neela Padarthaha Neela Gunasya. Neela means blue. Padartha means the substance. Neela Guna means Neela attribute, blue color. Utpala Padarthaha Utpala Dravyasya. Neelam, the blueness or blue color of that lotus. What is the substance? Utpalam. Utpalam means lotus. Utpala Padarthaha, what is the Utpala Padasya Arthaha means Utpala Dravyam. Dravya means what? Object, substance. Utpala Dravya means Utpalam flower. Lotus flower. Dravya means substance. That lotus which is blue in color. Neelotpalam. Neelam Utpalam Neelotpalam. Dravyasya cha. What it does says, you bring that blue lotus. Suppose if I say blue lotus, you bring. You understand, I have to bring not white lotus, not orange lotus, not rose color lotus, but I have to bring blue lotus. So, Shauklyam means white. Adipadat, different colors. Shuklasya bhavaha Shauklyam. Abstract noun. Shauklyam, whiteness. That flower which is white, I should not bring. What I have to bring? Only blue lotus. Not only that, Patadi. Shauklya patadi. Patam means cloth. I should bring only that flower, not the cloth. When I say bring that lotus, blue lotus, and I have to bring the blue color only. I have to bring only lotus only, not cloth. So when I point out so and so object in so and so color, indirectly I am negating other colors, other objects. Priyardo? Vyavartakataya means by negating, by separating other colors, other substances. So my focus is what? Only on lotus and blue color. Therefore, Shloukya Patadi Bheda Vyavartakataya. That different colors, different objects I should not bring. I have to take only this. That's why whenever you utter a noun, an attribute, gunam, visheshanam, you bring that blue sari. In anartham, don't bring other colors. Don't bring any other object. The same color, same sari object you have to bring, substance. Whenever you point out or particular specific color, other colors you are negating. நீங்க சொல்லல ப்ளூ கலர் சொன்ன உடனே என்ன other colors you don't bring ன்னு அர்த்தம். சொல்லாமல் கூறாமல் கூறி ஷௌக்ய பட்டாதி வியாவர்த்தகதையா. அதான் வியாவர்த்தகம் means what? Negating, separating, distinctly, keeping them distinctly. அந்யோன்ய விசேஷண விசேஷ்ய ரூப. விசேஷணம் Visheshyam. That lotus is the Visheshyam noun. What is that Visheshanam adjective? Blue color. Visheshyam means noun. Visheshanam means adjective. Attribute. So Visheshana Visheshya Rupa. The lotus is the Visheshyam substance. And color is the Visheshanam. In that, samsargasya anyatara vishishtasya. This sambandha, the blue lotus, there are two types of sambandha again. What the Purapakshi says, why can't you take this samanadhikaranyam and visheshana visheshya sambandha? இந்த விசேஷண விசேஷ சம்பந்தங்குள்ளேயே ரெண்டு சம்பந்தம் இருக்கப்பான்னு சொல்றார் ஆத்தர். பாருங்க, ஏற்கனவே தலைவலி, அதுக்குள்ள இன்னும் தலைவலி. வாட் இஸ் தட்? சம்சர்கஸ்ய சம்பந்தः, சம்சர்கார்த்தபோதக சம்பந்தः. ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் யூ. சம்சர்கார்த்தபோதக சம்பந்தः between lotus and color, blue color, and விசிஷ்டார்த்தபோதக சம்பந்தः. Vishishthartha bodhaka sambandha. That's what he says. Samsargasya anyatara, other sambandha is Vishishtasya. Samsargasya of that relationship. Samsargasya. Samsargartha bodhaka sambandha or Vishishtartha bodhaka sambandha. In the sentence, संसर्गार्थबोधक संबंधः विशिष्टार्थबोधक संबंधः. These two, tad aikyasya va, their oneness, neelam utpalam, oneness, through samsargarthabodhaka vak sambandha dwara or vishishtarthabodhaka sambandha dwara, their oneness, aikyasya, their oneness, vakyarthatva angikare, it is acceptable. And the vakyam, nilotpalam is a vakyam. Vakyam is that where there are two words minimum. Blue lotus is a vakyam. Minimum two words are required. One word it is not a vakyam. Therefore, Vakyarthamana Angikaram. This Vakyartha, Blue Lotus, can be arrived at through this Visishtartha Bodhaka or Samsargartha Bodhaka possible Angikaram. I am very happy, I accept with that. Angikare Pramanantara Virodha Abhavat. There is no Shastric contradiction in that. Author says, there is no contradiction. I happily accept. There is no logical contradiction. There is no perceptual contradiction. There is no Shastric contradiction. Why I have to negate? I happily come along with you. Pramanantara Virodha Abhava. And the Virodha plus Abhava. Sariya padikkanum. Virodha Abhavenu padikka kudadu. Virodha Abhava. There is no contradiction. Abhava means absence. Absence of what? Virodha. Virodha means what? Contradiction. Absence of contradiction. Abhave Vakyarthaha Sangachyate. That sentence, Blue Lotus, its meaning, oneness, arriving at its meaning as oneness, Sangachyate means possible, proper, tenable. Logically not non-contradicted. Sangachyate means it is possible, it is proper, tenable. Now whole para I have given the meaning. Let us do analysis now. Each word we have to go about it. Okay, I want to explain very slowly. Okay? Illena tala suttu appadiye. I will try. Now samsargartha bodhaka means what? Dwara aikyam. Samsargartha bodhaka dwara aikyam. Oneness by using the relation of samsarga. What it means? The oneness, aikya means oneness. What is the Sanskrit sentence? Samsargartha bodhaka aikyam. Samsargartha bodhaka bodhana dvara aikyam. Arriving oneness through the relationship using the samsargartha. Samsarga relation. What it means? The oneness, understanding, the oneness we have to understanding, that means understanding the meaning, their inseparability. Samsarga means inseparability. Inseparable. That is inseparable, which is called, or inseparable in intimacy. That which has got intimacy is called samsarga. Very close in artha. Very intimate. The oneness understood by the means of oneness because of intimacy in artha. By inseparable intimacy. இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்றேன். The oneness can be understood by means of inseparable oneness. Inseparable intimacy. திருப்பி சொல்றேன். The oneness can be understood by means of inseparable intimacy. What it means, inseparable intimacy? Neela shabdena neela gunaha uchyate. Neela shabdena neelam na uchyate. Kim uchyate? Dravyam, utpalam. Neela shabdena neela gunaha na uchyate. Parantu neela guna vishishta dravyam uchyate. சம்ஸ்கிருதம்ல சொன்னா திருப்பி இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லுவேன். नील शब्देन नील गुणः न उच्यते परन्तु नील द्रव्यम उच्यते. नील गुण विशिष्ट द्रव्यम. What it means? என்ன கொஞ்சம் அங்கே இங்கே சொன்னாதான் you will have a time to think. That is why the color blue refer to substance. The color blue or blue color refer to the substance. What is the substance? Lotus. Blue substance lotus anartham. Blue substance lotus. Neela dravya utpalam. Neela dravyotpalam. A utpalam which is dravyam which is having neelam color. Neelotpala. Blue substance lotus refer to what? Lotus. Blue substance lotus and another. Lotus. You don't have tatparya in blueness. What do you want? Blueness or lotus? Simple thing, no? You want lotus, not blueness. But that lotus, I want preference. What? Neela. Blueness. That lotus with blue color. Ada. So therefore, that color blue refer to the substance. Blue substance lotus refer to the lotus. Lotus substance. Both words are revealing, both the words. Neelam revealing what? Utpalam. Utpalam revealing Utpalam. Utpalam revealing Utpalam. Lotus revealing lotus. Neelam also revealing lotus only. Neelam blue color also revealing lotus. Substance is very important. Can color exist without substance? Can saffron color exist without the cloth? Saffron color cannot exist. So the saffron refer to the cloth. Cloth refer to cloth, not color. Color cannot exist separately from the dravyam. Can dravyam exist or not? Dravyam can exist. Substance can exist without that color. Because where there is no blueness, lotus is there in different color. But where there is blueness, lotus must be there. Clear though? Enjoying? Okay. So therefore, Neela Utpalam, when you say, the intellect understands whatever blue substance is there, that alone is lotus substance. In this context, okay, Neela Utpalam, whenever you say, the intellect understands whatever blue substance is there, that substance, that alone is lotus substance. That alone is lotus substance. Whatever blue substance is there, that alone is the lotus substance. Because guna guninoho sambandha, the whole thing is logic. Okay, tarkika bhashalo chalanonna guna guni sambandha. Blue color is gunam, guni is lotus, guna guni sambandha. So therefore, in this second interpretation, aikyam means does not intimacy. Ipo samsarga adhyasa over. Samsarga adhyasa relation. What is samsarga? Wherever blueness is there, there is lotus. Both are intimate, inseparable. Pirikka mudiyada oru sambandham. Pirikka mudiyada oru sambandham. That sambandha is called samsarga atmaka, samsarga bodhatmaka sambandha. Bodha means what? Revealing an artha. In Vishishtartha Bodhakallo, there is not intimacy, but the aikyam means both are one and the same substance only. In Vishishtartha Bodhaka, it is not intimacy. one and the same. Visheshana, Visheshyam, both are one and the same. Vishishtam, that which is distinctly showing the object. That is called Vishishtam. With a specific attribute. Both are one and the same substance only. In the second interpretation, Aikyam means does not intimacy, but Aikyam means both are one and the same substance. Anartham. Blue and lotus are not two different substances. Blue and lotus are two separate substances? No. Blueness is not at all a substance. It is not a dravyam. Blueness is an attribute. Therefore, blue is the lotus substance. Lotus is blue substance. Blue has no separate existence of its own. So the blue substance and anartha, lotus is that which has got a blueness. Blue substance and anartha. Blue object. Bring that blue and anartha. Bring that blue and anartha. Can you bring the only color? That blueness must be associated with one thing or other. That thing only you will bring. I should not ask. I asked you only blueness. Why you brought this paper, blue paper? Why you bought this blue color saree? How can I bring the blueness without substance? Therefore, what you can say, blue is the lotus substance, lotus is the blue substance. Cholalam illiyo? Cholalam. This is called Vishishtartha Bodhaka Vakyam. புரியறது நினைக்கிறேன். புரிஞ்சா நல்லது, புரியலன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல. இதெல்லாம் இன்டலெக்சுவல் ஜிம்னாஸ்டிக்ஸ்னா ஷார்ப் இன் த இன்டலெக்ட். புரியாமல் இருக்காது, உள்ளமா புரியும், அவ்வளவுதான். This, in the case of blue lotus, the intellect can come to samanadhikaranyam and vishishta visheshana bhava, visheshya visheshana bhava. In the case of blue lotus, okay, he asked the Purapakshi samanadhikaranya sambandha and visheshya visheshana sambandha. This is possible. In Neelam Utpalam both are in seventh case, first case Napumsakalingam, Prathama Vibhakti. Neelam, Utpalam, blue lotus. Both are in Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Samana Adhikaranam. Okay. Visheshya Visheshana also irukku. Yenna lotus is Visheshyam, blueness is Visheshanam. Correct irukliyo? Visheshya Visheshana Sambandha. In the Visheshya Visheshana Sambandhala, in the Samsarga, intimacy is there. Samsarga Bodhakam and Vishishtartha Bodhakam also irukku. In the blueness irukku and the Samsargam irukku. It is inseparable. Nalla irukku. In the meaning vechikalam. They are one and the same. Blueness and lotus are one and the same. Taniya pirikka mudiyada sambandham. Now, either in the form of blue lotus or blue colored lotus flower, or in the form of total oneness existing between blue substance and lotus substance, there is no difference. Aikyam. You understand lotus flower with a blue color. I cannot ask you bring blueness, leave the flower. So that is called Vishishtam. A lotus with blueness, that is called Vishishtam. Attribute. Pirikka mudiyadadu. Both are one and the same or not? One and the same. Aikyam is possible. So Samsarga Bodhaka Vakyam, Vishishta Bodhaka Vakyam va. The journey of intellect is over now. We have understood. And the author says the intellect is satisfied now. Okay. These two stages are enough for Nilotpalam. These two stages, Samanadhikaranyam, Visheshya Visheshana Sambandha, are in that subdivision, Samsarga, Vishishtarthaka. This is sufficient in this example, Nilotpalam. So what? Now come to Mahavakya. In Soyam Devadatta, Samanadhikaranyam, author is not elaborately explaining. He has taken Visheshya Visheshana Sambandha. So that is the step here we have to follow. Nilotpala Pada Artha. Now I give the meaning one by one, word to word. Once again, revision, Madre. Nilotpala Pada Artha, the blue color. Neela Pada Artha is what? What is the meaning of the Neela Pada word Neelam? Blue color. What is the meaning of the word Neelam? Blue color. Correct, Dane? Blue is a word. Neelam is blueness. Is a color. It's a word. Neelam Padam. Neela Pada Artha is what? Neela Pada Artha Neelam. What is the meaning of Neelam? Color. Varnam. Color. That's Neela Pada Artha. Then Neela Gunasya, which is nothing but attribute. Neela Gunasya. Neela Gunasya means which is nothing but attribute called Neelam. Now Utpala Pada Artha, it is there in that topic now. Utpala Pada Artha, the meaning of the word lotus. The meaning of the word lotus. Padasya Arthaha means substance lotus an artham. Between the attribute and dravyam. Shrautyam, white. When the intellect here, the white, it is separating other colors. Patadi bheda vyavartakam. Intellect negate all the pratyagatmanam. Padartha means Mahavakyam. Pratyak, inseparable existence of that Tvam and that Mahavakyam la irukira. This is called Samsarga Artha Bodhaka Vakyam. Anyatara Visishtasya means in the second method, blue means blue color, substance. Adi Visishtartha Bodhaka. Samsargam aayidde Visishtartha Bodhakam, blue color, substance. One blue lotus substance is the final meaning. What is the final meaning? One blue lotus substance is the final meaning. That is not enough in Mahavakya or Soyam Devadatta. So, because of that Devadatta is this Devadatta. That Devadatta is this Devadatta. Intellect cannot accept the attributes here. That Devadatta's attributes, young Devadatta, the old Devadatta, these attributes intellect cannot accept. Oneness you cannot bring in young and old. Even the Devadatta substance is one. Substance is one. Who is the substance here? Devadatta. But Devadatta attributes are different. How you can bring Soyam Devadatta lo, Anda Devadatta, Inda Devadatta lo, attributes are not same. Visheshanams are not same. Young boy, he is the old man, curling hair, bald head. Nice skin, that time now wrinkles. Pallu was shining, no pallu. How intellect can accept? Intellect says, I cannot bring oneness in them. Now what to do? You have to come to Bhagatyaga Lakshana. Intellect says, you give up that attributes, I will accept. You give up the attributes, I will accept. Avaneda even. Epo. And the attributes, if you take out intellectually, incidental they are. Attributes are incidental. Dravya matra, same. So, and the vastu pradhanam. Lakshim pradhanam. Devadatta is pradhanam. So, you have to give up that attributes. Ange enna pannitav neelotpalallo? You can't give up neelam. Neelam cannot be separated from dravyam. When I ask you bring lotus, blue lotus, you cannot separate. But when I ask you bring that Devadatta, you can bring or not. By giving up that, those attributes. Ippa vere attributes. So intellect accepts. Puriyardo? Appa. Santosham. I am also happy. Something I have communicated. So intellect cannot accept those attributes which are diagonally opposite. Diagonal, black hair, curling hair, no hair. Diagonally opposite. அப்போ கண்ணு பார்வை நல்லா தெரியறது இப்போ எங்க யாருன்னு கேட்குறான். Diagonally opposite. Therefore intellect doesn't accept. So 156th topic, 2 stages are sufficient. Neelotpalatthukku sufficient. In substance attribute understanding is okay. But in Mahavakya 2 stages are not sufficient. Avaneda even in sollalam. Analum certain things you have to negate. Ange negate pannatalum kuda onnu da. Paravalla, problem illa. Inge negate pannamale you cannot say oneness. Adu eppadi ani he is going to show in Mahavakya. Na Swayam Devadattalo sonna both are opposite. Adhe Paramatmaki Jeevatmaki enna tagararu varum. If you don't leave the attributes, what is the problem we are going to face? Very interesting. We'll read that topic now. Appa, Piriya, this is really, I'm thinking how to communicate this to all of you, and I was very much. Okay. Now you have to again and again dwell upon this, then you can understand easily. Now let us see how he is presenting Mahavakyatlam. Atra tu tatpadartha parokshatvadi vishishta chaitanyasya tam padartha aparokshatvadi vishishta chaitanyasya cha अन्योन्य भेद व्यावर्तकतया विशेषण विशेष्य भाव संसर्गस्य अन्यतर विशिष्टस्य अन्यतरस्य तदैक्यस्य अन्यतरस्य तदैक्यस्य वाक्यार्थत्व अंगीकारे प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाण विरोध वाक्यार्थः न संगच्छते. In this Mahavakya, it is not tenable. It is not proper. It is not logical. What you said in Nilotpalam, it is not applied here. How? He says, atratu. Previous topic la tatratu he said. Now he says atratu. Atratu means in my presentation of Devadatta, Soyam Devadatta or Tattvamasi, atratu. And the tu shows, however, that suits there, but that doesn't suits here, doesn't permit here. True means Vyavartakam. Tu ani ardham maada. Tu ani solran illaya. Po ani ardham. Inga mudiyadu. What is that? Tatpadartha parokshatvadi vishishta chaitanyam. What do you mean by Paramatma? Paramatma is none other than Sakala Kalyana Guna Gana Sampanna Nilayaha Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam Vishishta Guna Chaitanyam. Where is that Ishvara? Paramatma Paroksham. Ashnaha Param Paroksham. He is somewhere. I have not seen him. Parokshatvadi. Adipadat Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman, Sarvavyapi, Sarvantaratma. So that Paramatma who is Paroksham, Vishishta Chaitanyam. If you remove attributes, what Chaitanyam it will become? Shuddha Chaitanyam. Inga Vishishta Chaitanyam ennardham? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Ishvara. Maya Sahitam Brahma is called what? Ishvara. LKG class madri. அப்படி சொன்னாதான் புரியும். Maya Sahitam Brahma is called Ishvara. That Vishishta Guna, if you remove from Ishvara, Ishvara become what? Brahman or Shuddha Chaitanya. பாருங்க எவ்வளவு தரோவா இருக்கேன்னு பார்த்தாட. That's why I said this is a class. In discourse, no teacher will allow you to talk. புரியுறதா? Once in a while. You should not talk all the time. Okay. Once in a while only you have to answer. If you go on talking, no, what will happen? You will be distracted. Subject will not enter. நம்ம என்ன பேசுமான்னு வரும் மனசுக்குள்ள. அதனால maximum time I will stop you to talk. Not for my sake, for your sake. We have to maintain that. No, very, very, very attentively I have to listen the subject. காதுக்கு நிறைய வேலை கொடுக்கணும், வாய்க்கு நிறைய வேலை கொடுக்க கூடாது. என்னன்னு கேட்கும் போதுதான் சொல்லணும். அது சொல்லணுமா வேண்டாமா கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு சொல்லணும் முன்னாடி. ஓகே, சரி. சைதன்யஸ்ய வாட் அபவுட் த்வம்பத? த்வம்பதார்த்த அபரோக்ஷத்வாதி விசிஷ்ட சைதன்யம். It is direct. I am. Tvam means what? You. You means you have to convert into what? Aham. You is Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. Aham Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. When Guru says you, how I have to convert? I. I is what? Aham. So that aham is indirect or direct perception? Direct. That is called aparoksham. Adipadat what? Adipadat sarvagnaha I said. Here alpagnaha, alpiscient. Our omniscient non-alpiscient. Our omnipotent non-alpipotent. Our sarvavyapi non-alpavyapi. Adipadat. All these are attributes are diagonally opposite. All pervading in a limited confinement. இங்க இருந்தா வீட்டுல இல்ல, வீட்டுல இருந்தா இங்க இல்ல. அதுதான் ஆதி பதார்த்த. So tvam padartha aparokshatvadi. What chaitanyam? This chaitanyam visishta chaitanyam. At what level? Micro level. Veshti drishtya micro level visishta chaitanyam tvam padartha. Guru சொல்றாரு tvam padartha. எந்த chaitanyam tvam னு சொன்ன? visishta chaitanyam. Tat is called Paramatma Vishishta Chaitanyam. They both of them having different attributes. ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? விஸ்வ தைஜச பிராக்ஞா ஹியர். தேர் விராட், ஹிரண்யகர்பா, ஈஸ்வரா ஆர் அந்தர்யாமி. Both of them are having different attributes. Anyonya bheda vyavartakataya. Both are separating themselves with attributes. That's why we are all Bhagavane and சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ? நீ அங்கே நான் இங்கே. So that's why we say vyavartakataya, different both of us. Visheshana visheshya bhava சம்சர்கஸ்ய. விசேஷண விசேஷ பாவம் என்ன? விசேஷம் என்ன? பரமாத்மா. அங்கே இங்க விசேஷம் ஜீவாத்மா. விசேஷணம் என்ன? சர்வஜ்ஞத்துவம் அல்பஜ்ஞத்துவம். விசேஷண விசேஷ பாவா. டிஃபரன்ஸ் இஸ் தேர் இன் அட்ரிபியூட்ஸ். அந்யதர விசிஷ்டாஸ்ய அந்யதரஸ்ய தத் ஐக்கியஸ்யவான். What will happen? வாக்யார்த்த அங்கீகாரே. Suppose, now let us see, அதெல்லாம் அங்க டாபிக்ல கிடையாது. We have to see. வாக்யார்த்த அங்கீகாரே விரோதः சங்கச்சதேன. Suppose you take whole thing without பாக தியாகம் பண்ணாமலே, if you take whole thing, ஐதி ஜீவாத்மா, Vishishta Chaitanyam is Paramatma. Suppose I say, I am samsari. Okay, I the Jivatma having Janana, Marana, Vyadhi, Jara, all I am having, I have big samsara problem. இப்போ நான் பரமாத்மான்னு சொன்னா இந்த சம்சாரம் அவருக்கு போயிடுமா போகாதா? If we both become one, I am giving what? Samsaritvam to Paramatma. Okay? So my dukkham I am giving to Paramatma. பாவம் அவருக்கு இல்லாத ஒரு துக்கம் எனக்கு கொடுத்து. ஏன்னா நானும் பரமாத்மா ஒண்ணுதான். With these attributes, if I say one with Paramatma, this dukkam also will go to Paramatma. Anybody likes to make Paramatma dukhi? That is why Visishta Advaiti never accept Jivan Mukti. புரியுறதா? Visishta Advaiti never accept Jivan Mukti because you, the Jiva, has got Dukkham. Paramatma is free from Dukkham. How can you become Paramatma? Therefore you can never become Paramatma. Therefore what? You are always Jivatma. Therefore what? You can never get Jivan Mukti. Therefore what? You have to die to go to Vaikuntha. Jivan Mukti கிடையாது விசிஷ்ட அத்வைதத்தில். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம விசிஷ்ட அத்வைதம் கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணல. இட் இஸ் எ ஸ்டெப்பிங் ஸ்டோன் ஃபார் அத்வைத்தம். ஓகே, விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் இஸ் எ ஸ்டெப்பிங் ஸ்டோன், preliminary step. It is required in initial stages. But that is not the ultimate. அதுதான் நம்ம சொல்றோம். இங்கதான் நம்ம கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்றோமே தவிர நாட் விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம். விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் கூட தேவைதான், but up to one level. Okay, we should not hate that Visishtadvaitam. No hating here. We have to see its limitation when you come to Mahavakya Aikyam, the Jivan Mukti topic. That's why Dukkham is real according to Visishtadvaitam. Jiva's Dukkham is 100% real. அதனால இந்த துக்கம் வச்சுட்டு நீ பரமாத்மா பரமாத்மா சொல்லாது, வாய் மூடேன்னு சொல்லுவான். How we manage Advaitins என்ன? Dukkam is unreal, mithya. Dukkam is a lower order of reality. It cannot touch the Paramatma. Dukkam is mithya. Why? Body is mithya, mind is mithya. Mind la irukra dukkam satyama? Jada padartham. Body mind complex is jadam, inert. In that only dukkha, an emotion which is born out of ajnana, is also mithya, unreal. Very difficult to grasp, swallow this. Since dukkham is mithya, I can happily say I am Paramatma. ஏன் இந்த துக்கம் அவருக்கு அசங்கஹா பரமாத்மா. Really speaking, I the Jivatma become a Gnani, Dukkham cannot touch me. Padma Patra iva ambhasa. This is lower order of reality, appa. The higher order of reality. Kanavulo nalla mala varudhu. Dream lo heavy rain. Do you get sweat wetting? Wet that your body will not become wet. Why? Nalla mala vanda Swamini. I want to change my dress and solluvela. And the order of reality is different. Waking stage order of reality is different. அது எப்படியோ இந்த ஜீவனுக்கு துக்கம் இருக்கிறங்கிறது வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம். ஜீவனுக்கு துக்கம் இல்லை. ஜீவா அந்த விசிஷ்ட துக்கம் எடுத்தான்னா சுத்த சைத்தன்யம் ஜீவ ஆத்மா ஏவ பரமாத்மா. அந்த துக்கா இஸ் நாட் தேர் இன் பாரமார்த்திக சுத்த சைத்தன்யம். இதுதான் அந்த ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் ரியாலிட்டி அவங்களுக்கு புரியறதே இல்லை. வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் ரியாலிட்டி நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். The fire can burn in the dream. That dream fire cannot touch you in waking state. But you have seen the fire there. But you know that it cannot touch me. Thank God. ஞானி கூட அப்படியே நான் பாரமார்த்திக சத்திய சுத்த சைத்தன்யம். This body mind complex, its attributes, its limitations, all are incidental. They cannot touch me even an iota. Even a particle also cannot touch me. Therefore what? Suppose Paramatma becomes Jiva becomes Paramatma na dukhi aidva samsara vandadum Paramatma ku problem. Suppose Paramatma becomes Jiva, Paramatma becomes Jiva annada dukham vandadum samsaram problem vandu Paramatma ku. If Jiva want to become Paramatma, and the dukhi வந்து Paramatma becomes Jiva, Paramatma ku samsara problem dukha problem போயிடும். Suppose Jiva want to become Paramatma ன்னா அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? அந்த விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்துக்கு அது பிடிக்காது. ஏன்னா இந்த அல்பக்ஞன் போய் சர்வக்ஞன் எப்படி ஆக முடியும்? Nobody accept this Jiva who is limited, who is under the grip of Kala, Maranam. How this Jiva can become Sarvajnaha? That omniscient Paramatma is not acceptable for this Jiva. Intellect cannot accept. Intellect cannot accept this Jiva to become omniscient with attributes. Because omniscient and alpiscient are attributes are real. Are unreal or real? Temporary or permanent? Adi Briyurdasula Sangati. And this alpiscient Jiva, omniscient Paramatma, alpipotent Jiva, omnipotent Paramatma, Sarvavyapi Paramatma, Alpavyapi Jivatma, these limitations caused by what? Upadhi. Upadhi is temporary. Since Upadhi is temporary, Vishwataijasa Prajna, Virat Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, Upadhis are temporary, mediums are temporary, knock off. All the mediums you knock off, along with the mediums what will go? All limitations washed off. Once limitations goes, who remains? Upadhi has gone, limitations have gone, who remains? OC remains. OC, original consciousness, Shuddha Chaitanyam ange, Shuddha Chaitanyam inge, avane nan, nane avar. Jnani tu atmaiva me matam. So, aham brahma asmi. Solalame. சொல்றார். சரி, அவர் துக்கி ஆயிட்டாருன்னா ஆத்மா ராம ஆனந்த ரமணான்னு பாடவே முடியாது பாப்போம். அந்த ராமர் கூட துக்கி ஆயிடுவார். ஆனந்த ரமணான்னு பாட முடியாது. Therefore, how we say in Brahma Sutra, Acharya says, nahi adhyastasya gunena doshena va anumatrenapi sambadhyate. The snake you superimpose upon the rope, the snake attributes, color and the stripes and all are going to touch the rope. கொஞ்சம் ஒட்டிண்டு இருக்கப்பா சுவாமினி, அந்த டெய்ல இருக்கிற கலர் கொஞ்சம் ஒட்டிண்டு இருக்க முடியுமா? அது அத்தியாசா. Superimposed attributes can never touch the Paramatma. I am Shuddha Chaitanyam, அவர் Shuddha Chaitanyam, one and the same. So இங்க என்ன லட்சணம் சொல்லணும் வாக்கியார்த்தக்கு? பாகத்யாக லட்சண சங்கச்சதே. That's what he says. Tad aikyasya வாக்கியார்த்தத்வ அங்கீகாரே பிரத்யக்ஷாதி பிரமாண விரோதாத் vakyarthaha na sangachyate. Na sangachyate means here you have to understand that vakyartha is not proper tenable, but the Soyam Devadatta, what you are talking, Samanadhikaranyam Visheshana Sambandha will not appeal here. They are not tenable here. That is this is that. Suppose Neelam Utpalam, நீலமேவ உத்பலம் உத்பலமேவ நீலம் சொன்ன, தட் இஸ் திஸ் இஸ் தட். தட் பரமாத்மா, திஸ் ஜீவாத்மா. அந்த பரமாத்மா ஜீவாத்மா எடுத்துட்டு சோயம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? சஹ அயம். தட் இஸ் திஸ் இஸ் தட். வாட் இட் மீன்ஸ்? தட் இஸ் வாட், திஸ் வாட். தட்டு புரியல, திஸ் புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். அதனால அந்த தட் பரமாத்மா, திஸ் ஜீவாத்மா, சுத்த சைத்தன்யம். யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக். புரியுறது? ஸோ பாகத்யாக லக்ஷணா alone can be taken. More in the next class. பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.